So it's 10th of September, and let us just check where is our so our SGX Nifty is at down by 40 points, 8137. So that is one indication that the market is going to open down. So the other way what we can do is we can just check the currency pairs. You should increase your volume in your system. My volume is already full. I mean, it's maximum. So I will just open the currency charts.
Hello.
So let's just check where this USD INR. So that's a gap up. So our markets will be gap down. So the charts what I am opening is TradingTree charts. So you can just see Japanese yen is at 57.46. That is where it's going to start. It's a gap up. And GBP is also a gap up. It's starting at 98.39. And you can see the euro. It's at 78.95. Again a huge gap up. So the dollar is at 61. It has crossed the 61 mark. So we had this buy call yesterday and it's still continuing. So it's crossed the 61 mark. Then obviously our markets will open low. So I've just taken the historical data. I think we'll have some problem with the bank nifty. Let's see if it gets rectified by itself. So we have 30 scripts here. What you're seeing now is the FuturesTree software where you can trade on 30 scripts at a time. So what I'll do is I'll just add the scripts which are on news. So one is Coal India I'll have to add, IRB I'll have to add, Biocon I'll have to add. So in place of Yes Bank, let me add okay, let me add it in whatever order we have it here. We can again change it also. Good morning. So SBI is there, ICICI is there, HDFC is also there. So in place of Axis, let's put sale. Sorry. Sale, we have news. We have ONGC, Coal India, IRB, NHPC. NHPC WIPRO is on trend. It's not on news. It's on trend, which I'm giving you. And I'll do that. I'll do that later. Then we can just see how the markets open. Then we can get into that. So Biocon, Hindustan Zinc, Godrej, we'll put it here. We'll add Bajaj Auto here. Bajaj is also on news. So here let's add Biocon. Godrej, then Jindal. If you have any clarifications, then you can get it clarified once the market opens and once I give my explanation. So Jindal Steel we have. Hindustan Zinc SSLT should be added. Sorry. RANBAXY is on news. PHARMA is on news. ITC is on news. Tech Mahindra will change it. We'll add Adani Enterprises and Ports, APOLLOTYRE and ARVIND. The Hindalco is on news. So I have completed all the 30. Let me just take the historical data again. It's not necessary, but we can take it. I think Share Guru, we have some problem. We'll restart it. So let's just check where our pre-open has done. So that's around 17 points down, 8135. So what we'll be doing is at 9:15 we'll be taking the current day data. We'll be just clicking on the current day data button, and then we'll click on the auto refresh on button, and we'll get the prices for some scripts. And later at 9:30 what we'll be doing is we'll again take the current day data for the scripts which are not loaded or the prices haven't come. We'll again take it at 9:30. Then our job is done, and then we can start trading. So what I'll do is I'll just first explain you how to use this two softwares, and then later when you have any doubts you can just type in the chat box, and then I'll just clarify all your doubts. So people who are just coming and going, please avoid that. It's sort of a disturbance for me also. If you want to stay, you can just stay. Yeah, good morning. I have not done anything, so you please wait. Then you'll understand what's happening actually. So we have these two softwares. What you're seeing is an Excel file, that is FuturesTree. So the prices what you get here are the spot market or the cash market prices. So with the spot market prices you can trade on futures and you can trade on options also in this particular scripts. There will be 30 scripts in a screen. So you can keep changing the scripts, and you can trade in whichever script you want which is existing in the F&O segment. There are another 5 scripts which are added in the F&O segment today that we'll be adding in another couple of days, and then you'll get the data for that also. And the strategy what we are using is a very simple strategy that's called as stocks and news. So these are some of the scripts that are on news today, and other than that I have added some more scripts which are on trend. So what you can actually do is on any particular day, whenever a script is on news, it will have a strong bias towards either the buy side or the sell side, and their volumes also will be very good. So in such case, what you can do is you can trade on these scripts regularly. So roughly around, we usually have around 10 to 15 scripts every day on an average. But today I have added some more scripts. Now it is more than 30 scripts that is available now. So you can trade on all the scripts. So it's 9:14 now. What we'll be doing is we'll be clicking on the current day data button and auto refresh on. Then we'll get the prices for Nifty and a few other scripts. Later we'll be getting the prices at 9:30 for the remaining scripts. Meanwhile, what I'll do is I'll be using this TradingTree software to know my profits, to know my exit levels, and to know my stop losses. So that becomes a combination of two softwares. That is another strategy what you can use. Use both the softwares and you'll know exactly where to exit. So it's 9:15 now. I'll just take the current day data. So you can just see this globe icon here which is rotating. That means the data is being updated. So once the data is updated, then we'll click on the auto refresh on button. So we'll just put it on auto refresh on. So now you can see that the audio is available. We don't do without an audio. We have a sell call in Nifty 8122. We have a sell call in SBI. Let me just put it in full screen mode. ICICI Bank is a gap down. Coal India, we don't have Hero Motors, forget it. Maruti, we can just we'll just wait on Maruti. Tata Motors, we have a buy call. ITC, we have a buy call. So these are some of the calls that we have now. Nifty, Bank Nifty, SBI, Tata Motors, Maruti, ITC. ICICI Bank, there is a stock split, 5:1. So you're seeing the vertical red lines. These red lines means that these particular scripts are not ready for trading still. So what we'll be doing is we'll be taking the current day data again at 9:30 for these scripts, and then we'll be trading on those scripts also. Now what I'll do is I'll just open my other software. Now with TradingTree, I'll be able to know whether to trade on ICICI Bank or Maruti. So ITC is at target 2 now. SBI is at target 1. So I'll just take the backfill for this 30 days. Maruti, you can just see it started at intermediate target. Now it is at target 5. The next will be the final target for that. We have a buy call in Biocon and SSLT. If you are observing this. Biocon is at target 1 now.
There is a sell call in AXIS Bank A1.
So that is how we get calls in TradingTree. Bharti Airtel we will be getting a buy. We should have a sell call in Kane India. Cipla is moving up. So for every script that you will get a stop loss also. So for Biocon, the entry price is 506. So what you'll do is, how you will trade is, you'll buy one lot of Biocon in futures at the current market price. The price whatever is existing at that point of time. And you'll put your stop loss. The stop loss, you'll be watching the stop loss. You won't actually put the stop loss. So as soon as it reaches 503, in case if it reaches 503, you'll exit the trade. That will be a stop loss. Otherwise, what you'll do is, in case if the script is moving forward, what you'll actually do is you'll be trailing your stop losses. And then try to exit at intermediate target or final targets. So Sun Pharma is a buy call, that's on news. WIPRO is a sell call. This I got it from the trend. There is no news on WIPRO, but there should be some news, insider news. But when we see the technicals, we know that it's a sell call. RANBAXY we have a buy. Sorry, I just put it in the pause mode. I didn't activate it. You can just see that. So Biocon 506, now it is 509. Hindalco is on news. So now you can just see that ICICI Bank is actually a gap up, but we got a sell call there. So that is one of the reason why we suggest you not to take any calls which start at intermediate targets. Infi is a gap down, huge gap down. ITC is a buy call. So you can just see RANBAXY is at target 2, Biocon is at target 2. Same thing with ITC. So for the scripts which have this red vertical lines, we'll be taking the current day data at 9:30. Then we can trade on all these scripts also. So that you will be able to identify with this green tick symbol and the red X symbol. The red X symbol means that that particular script is not ready for trading, and the green tick symbol means that particular script is ready for trading. So now there are various levels. Let's see the intermediate target. RANBAXY has done its intermediate target, that's roughly around 3,000 rupees profit in RANBAXY. Now what you will do is you will change your stop loss. You change your stop loss to target 1 or target 2 depending on your risk appetite, and then you can let the script to go further down. HDFC we have a sell. So you will have to be very careful with the auto sector. 11 o'clock we will be getting the data for automobile sector. So the whole thing might reverse also. So ITC has done its intermediate target. So that is roughly around 3000 rupees on ITC. Nifty is at target 2. HDFC is at target 2. We have a sell call in Axis Bank, we have a sell call in Yes Bank, TCS is a sell, Infosys has already done its final targets, that is a sell call. REL is a buy call, it has done its intermediate target. So WIPRO we can get a sell call. We already have a sell call in FT. So that is S Bank. S Bank we have a sell call already in FuturesTree. Tech Mahindra is a sell call. Cipla is a buy call. The whole banking pack seems to be in red. So what I'll do is I'll just take the